Hello everybody, welcome at BRIXTON Motorcycles. It's great to see so many people joining our press conference today. My name is Alexander Dallinger, Head of Marketing at BRIXTON, and together with my colleagues Magdalena, Brand Manager of BRIXTON, and our Head of Development and Design, Elias, we want to show you some news about the BRIXTON brand. We want to show you the near future of BRIXTON motorcycles and even far beyond. Let me first just look back a little bit. Believe it or not, only 3 years ago, it was the first time when we presented the first BRIXTON bike to the market, here at the EICMA. And now, since then, we have grown a lot, with rapid speed and an incredible pace. And we are so happy to have a great communities of riders by today. And all these riders are great. They are a part of an active community, and this active community is generating a lot of content to our brand day by day. But of course, it all starts with a motorbike. And by today, we already have a garage of 9 machines here. And each of these bikes is designed by a newly established design center in Austria, very close to Vienna. So first question to my colleague, Magdalena, please tell us, what's so different with BRIXTON?
We believe no rider should have to compromise, that everyone deserves a good quality and great looking bike. And by bringing throwback style together with proven engineering, we're opening up to the road to anyone who wants to ride. Any direction, as long as it's our own. This is our mantra, and guided by it, we are carving out to our very own place in the world. We are a fresh alternative to the established manufacturers, and attracted by both our point of difference and our bikes, riders are turning to BRIXTON in over 40 countries across Europe and the rest of the world. Being one of the fastest growing motorcycle brands around, we have big plans for the future. And with no intentions of slowing down, together we firmly believe that BRIXTON is one of the brands to watch over the coming years.
Magdalena, wow, really sounds interesting and impressive. But Elias, question to you. What's next?
Well, the last 2 years full of development and hundreds of thousands of hours of engineering were really busy for us. But we are really incredibly excited to bring down now the new BRIXTON Crossfire 500 and 500X here to EICMA, and it's ready for the road. This bike represents a completely new direction for BRIXTON. It's a really fresh touch. But don't just take my word, the bike speaks also for itself. The BRIXTON Crossfire is our most powerful motorcycle yet. And while there is much more to come, it's a bike we are really proud of. Either can choose between a naked version and a scrambler version. Both are built on the base of a 2-cylinder inline engine with high quality brakes and adjustable suspension. From a design point of view, the X branded tank, inspired by the BRIXTON logo graphic, represents a unique new direction in our motorcycle design. It's a development rooted in our brand DNA, and there is nothing else out there quite like this. But Alex, please also tell us, what's the price you have defined for the bike?
Well, it's a good price, I can say this. It's competitively priced from just 5,999 euro, and it's amazingly because this Brixton Crossfire offers a real extra value to the market, especially for a bike like this, which makes such a powerful statements on the streets very soon. The bike will be available from April next year, 2020, and we are already taking orders here at our booth. So if you have any questions or you're showing interest in the bike, don't hesitate to ask us directly after the press conference. For this bike, we already got a lot of feedback. And luckily, this feedback was amazing. It was great. And that's the reason why we quickly decided to add a completely new design line to Brixton motorcycles, emphasizing the characteristic X on the tank described by Elias already. We have built a range of different engine sizes and model types. So even now, by today, we are really proud to also present you here directly at the booth our brand new Brixton Crossfire 125. Ladies. Thank you very much. And while you're looking at our new bike, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. While you look at this bike and take your first pictures, I also want to ask Magdalena, could you please tell us a bit more about this bike?
Yeah, sure. With a 125cc water-cooled engine and 11 kW, we rely on a proven technology platform with the same design elements as the Brixton 500 Crossfire. It will be available in the third quarter of 2020. But as Brixton Motorcycles has come of age with the Crossfire 500, our real ambition is to go toe-to-toe with the big guys, which is why our design teams already hard at work designing a new generation of even more powerful engines.
That's correct. That's correct. We are very proud of our new development and design center near Vienna in Austria, where all the magic happens for Brixton. Let's have a look on our short video about our new studio. team had been working on until now has been a closely guarded secret. But while it's still early days in the development process, we are now ready to reveal a prototype model of another BRIXTON motorcycle fast approaching over the horizon. Following the signature design of the classic BRIXTON bikes, this concept model represents another huge leap for our team. From first sketches and 3D renders to the clay model you see here today, once again, it comes all entirely from our new design office in Austria. We want to unveil now a concept bike. So Magdalena, could you please tell us more about the bike?
Well, the details of this bike are pretty limited. It's important to say that it's a design concept that should give an outlook of how BRIXTON motorcycles could look like in the future. It's a brand statement that underlines our big ambitions in the industry. And while I can't tell you exactly when this bike will hit the roads, what I can promise you is that the team is now pulling out all the stops to bring the new prototype on the road as soon as possible. And in the meantime, we got some more new variants of the current range ready for the road. We are presenting them at our booth already since yesterday, and we invite you to explore them here. On this side here, you will find another model under the Crossfire name, like we saw here already with the Crossfire 500. Already expected for next summer, the Crossfire 125 XS is a state-of-the-art mini bike, which is characterized by its sharp lines, particularly apparent in the X-Tank again. At the other side, you will find the BRIXTON Rayburn 125 on this side here. It will most likely make an appearance in the second quarter of 2020 as well. It features a spring-mounted single seat, a leather tool bag, and a subtle dark blue paint. But of course also modern, reliable technology. And last but not least, the BRIXTON Felsberg 125 XC. It is the third new model expected for the spring 2020. It's based on the Felsberg 125, but has a larger front wheel, a higher mudguard, and a series standard underbody protection. You can also watch it on this side of the booth. So watch this space, because we really can't wait to share what's next.
Magdalena, thanks a lot for the big news. Elias, thanks a lot for the explanations about development and design at BRIXTON. I think we showed you a lot of news today. For today, we are done, but believe us, BRIXTON is quick, BRIXTON is fast. We will come back very soon with more news. Please don't run away right now. Have a look at all the bikes. The team is ready for you. Please ask us any kind of question. We are happy to help you. We are happy to get in contact with you. And before you leave, don't miss the press kit, which you can get here at the desk from our ladies with all the latest news. Thanks a lot for joining us. This is BRIXTON. See you soon. Thank you.